Give us 2 minutes of your time, and we will show you how to get the most out of your investment and retirement strategy. And like we say at McDonald Financial Solutions, it's by starting your investment journey right now. Want to know more? Meet Jill and Robyn, the tale of two young women who have a different investment journey. Jill starts investing $250 a month at age 22 and stops investing at age 42. So she only contributes for 20 years and then stops. However, she doesn't touch her retirement until she's 63. Now here's Robyn. She's lived a good life with a good job since she's graduated college. But there's always been something to spend her money on, so she doesn't start investing for retirement until she's 42, but she doubles what Jill contributes and starts investing $500 a month and keeps that investment going for 20 years until she's 63. So Jill and Robyn both contribute for 20 years. Jill started early at only $250 per month, or a total of $60,000, and Robyn invested $500 per month, or a total of $120,000. So do you want to guess who has the most money at age 63? Well, Robyn's total of $120,000 has turned into approximately $327,347. That's how much her money has grown. Jill, who has only contributed $60,000, half as much as Robyn, now has $730,333. That's 2.5 times as much while only paying half of what Robyn did. So what's the magic here? It's the power of compound interest over time. Even though Jill invests half as much each month, her early start lets her money grow more. The lesson? Start early, let time do the heavy lifting, and watch your money grow. Waiting to invest until you're older is literally costing you thousands of dollars each year. Contact McDonald Financial Solutions now and find out just how easy it is to start. Trust me, your future self will thank you.